Hello, guys. I was very shocked to hear the news about Amazon Jeff Bezos to step down as the CEO of the company, and many of the media people is like, "What's going on?" Just like when Bill Gates stepped down as the CEO of the company, everybody was like, oh, Bill Gates is the Antichrist. And look what happened. They helped millions of people in the Middle East, Asia, and so many people, even here in the US. He focused on something else better. So it's a danger for media coverage that when this is something
excited about this transition. Early in his career, Bezos left his job in finance, founding Amazon in 1994. He spoke with NBC News about that career move in 1999.
But I might really have regretted not having participated in this thing called the internet that I thought was going to be a really big deal.
And it was. What began as an online bookseller grew fast.
Work hard, have fun, make history is our motto.
Ultimately,
I think it's not very good when people will just judge the person right away. It's very dangerous for the especially for the media coverage. He said on his announcement that he has reasons of why he want to step down. He want to focus on energy and new products. So we'll see, we'll find out what other products he wants to focus on. He want to keep on inventing because he has so much money, so he want to find new invention. And what is that new invention? We need to find out instead of judging him that he wants to step down because he wants to fire